Urgent about sa allotment, how much pala yung pera na nasa allotment and every kailan papasok? 60 and 40 yung nilagay ko doon sa allotment without knowing kung magkano ba. Thank you. Hey guys, it's me, Jed, and welcome back for another episode of the question and answer portion coming from Kuya RR. Kuya RR, regarding sa question mo, nasagot ko na to before, so i-recap lang natin ulit. Regarding sa allotment, kung magkano siya, so every 15 days ang deductions niya. So, most likely, around more or less $500 to $600 siya in a month. Depende po kung nasang company kayo. And kung magkano yung binabawas nila sa basic nyo and sa salary nyo. Yung 60-40 na yan, naka-allot yan dun sa may dalawang allotee na in-upload mo sa C-Track or whatsoever kung saan mo siya platform in-upload. Kung depende rin kung nasang company ka. Kasi kayo rin makakapag-adjust niyan eh. And yung kung saan nyo siya pinaayos. And then, yung 60-40 na yan, yung 60% nung certain amount, kung magkano dinedaksan nyo for that particular month or cut-off, dyan mapupunta sa 60 na yan. And then yung 40% dun sa may amount, kung magkano yung na-deduct din sa inyo, dun siya mapupunta. So, all in all, 100% siya. So, pwede nyo naman siyang i-manipulate, pwede nyo siyang i-modify, pwede pagdating on board, or make sure, basta dapat before kayo umalis, naayos siya na yan. So, yun lang naman guys, iba-iba naman yung deductions niyan sa bawat na company. And wala naman din pong exact amount kung magkano talaga siya. So, nasa nyo naman yun guys kung magkano yung dinededuct sa nyo ng company. So, and additionally guys, every kailan ba papasok? So, that's gonna be every 15 of the next following month. Like for example, nag-deduct sa nyo ng month of April, 15 and 31. So, marireceive nyo yung allotment na yan, yung 16 and 14 na yan for the next following month, which is the May 15. So, yun lang naman po. I hope I answered your question, Kuya Roel. And if you guys have more questions, comment down below and I'll get back to your questions as soon as I can. Bye-bye guys. Thank you for watching.